Hey guys and girls, so really quick video. Having troubles with this box. It's actually a toolbox for my Mastercraft heat gun, which is kind of ironic because we're going to be using the heat gun to fix this, or at least partially. So what I've done, and I'll show you on the back side. Got a nice bead of tape there, but you can see this box is starting to deteriorate. They're not very good quality. These are all made in China. So we're gonna have to do some other repairs on this box. But what happened is, just from continually opening and closing the box, obviously it broke down. So what I've done is a bead of tape on the inside hinge, if you want to call it that. Bead on the outside, and then what we do after that is take the heat gun and just warm it up basically so that everything beds down really nice, which is especially important on the outside because the outside has this texture. You can see with the heat gun it's gotten in there and it's kind of melded everything together. It's not perfect, but you can see there's no movement in the box itself. I used on this one Gorilla Tape just because it has more fibers in it. It's a little bit stronger than typical duct tape, but you can really use any duct tape. One tip I would say is, in these tight corners, just put, I don't know if you can even see it, you can just barely see it, just put a little slit in there because it will not form around that. It'll just keep peeling off and peeling off because of all the fibers that are in the actual tape. But put down a good duct tape, a little bit of heat to it, let it kind of meld together. If you've got a little bit of a gap in here, what will happen is the two layers, the outside and inside layer, will actually bond together, and it'll form an even better bond on there. Now, is this going to last forever? No. Is it going to last long enough? I'd probably say yeah. We'll have to do it again, maybe, but it allows me to keep the case and all its bits and pieces in it. If it was just a straight heat gun, I probably wouldn't be too worked up over it, but it's nice to keep all these accessories at least where they should be. So if you found the video informative, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Tell me why down in the comments. Leave any questions, comments down there. Think about hitting that subscribe button. We're adding content like this all the time. Hopefully it helped you guys out. Yeah, give me some ideas for other videos, and we'll see you on the next one.